Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video I'm going to be playing with a new palette that I got from Oden's Eye, and they did a collaboration with Annette's Makeup Corner. She's amazing, by the way. I will link her channel down below. And I created this look using that palette, so if you want to see how I did this look, keep on watching. Hi, so let me show you the palette. I'm super excited. Look how beautiful this box is. All three of them are YouTubers that they did a collab with Oden's Eye. And the one that I really follow is Annette. Right over here. Her palette looks so beautiful that I had to buy it. Let me show you the scarf because it brings a scarf. That's her, by the way. She's amazing. I love her videos. She's very talented. Plus, I also follow her because I learned a lot of tricks on working with hooded eyes, because she has hooded eyes also, and I have hooded eyes, so that's important to me. Look how beautiful this scarf is. I have a fan on. This is so cute. I mean, it's just perfect for your hair. You can put it up in a ponytail. You could leave it down and just tie it around here like this. So I know I'm gonna use this. It's pretty. I remember I purchased this the day it launched, and I got it now a month later, a month and a couple of days later. So it took a while to get here. I don't know why, because people in the States got it in like 2 or maybe even 3 weeks, and I got it so late. But I'm glad I have it, finally. So this is the package it comes in. Just flip it up. And it's the same cover. It has the names in the back. I just think this is so cute. And it's like a book. It opens like that. Look how pretty this is. I saw this and I loved it because of, first of all, I'm a sucker for organization and stuff like that, because usually when I receive a palette and it's all the shades are all scattered all over the place, and I have to really think hard, at least for me, I have to think hard and be like, what colors to combine and stuff like that. And sometimes for me that's hard. But when I saw this, I like the fact that every row is like a look. You could do a look with every single row, and I love that. But I like the fact that you could do a look with this one, another look with this one, another look with this one, and another look with this one. And I love that, the way she organized everything, because it helps me out to see everything clearly. Like, okay, I could do this or I could do that. So it gives me options. So I'm dying to try this out. Let's get started quickly. I'm gonna take this one, and I'm gonna put that above, in my crease and above. I've never tried Oden's Eye, so I'm super excited about that also, because I've heard great things about it. Have you tried Oden's Eye? I've seen a lot of people doing looks with palettes from Oden's Eye, and they look amazing. It's like a mossy green. Very grungy. Love it. Great pigmentation. I'm gonna link down her channel. I'm pretty sure you know who she is, but if you don't, I'm gonna link down her channel in the description box so you can check her out. She does really good work on eyes. She does amazing looks. Now I'm gonna take Annihilation, which is this one, and deepen the outer corners. I barely tapped all the kickback. Keep that in mind. You just have to tap in just a little bit. You don't need a lot. I can't believe it's basically the end of October. October went by so fast. It's unbelievable. Who else feels that way? I'm so glad there's a black in this palette. You know me, I love I want every palette to have a black. I'm gonna add some glitter primer by NYX. on a flat brush like this one, because I'm gonna use one of the shimmers. And with the other side, I'm gonna go in with the green one, which is beautiful. Oh, this is so pretty. You know I'm a sucker for green eyeshadows, especially when it's shimmer. Look how beautiful that color is. That's gorgeous. I'm going to take the brightest shimmer off the palette, this one, and put it in the inner corner. Very brightening. And I'm going to put it on the brow bone. I'm going to take this pink one and put it on the lower lash line with a smudge brush. So far, these are performing so good. All the ones that I've tried are very pigmented, but super easy to use. They're very blendable. I'm gonna take Howling and put it really close to the lower lash line. I'm gonna finish the rest of my face. I'm gonna put a little bit of bronzer on, black eyeliner in the waterline, some mascara, falsies, and I'll be right back. So I'm back. I used from Maybelline Sky High Mascara, the Wet n Wild Mega Liner to do the wing eyeliner. For lashes, I used this one from Pure, which I didn't know Pure made eyelashes. I saw this at Marshall's and it was only $4.99, so I was like, oh, they look so pretty, let me try them, and they feel very comfortable. They're quite nice. And for lips, I used the ColourPop Kiss Lip Cream, and this one's from the collection they did with Hocus Pocus, and this one's called Hello Boys. So this is the final look. I love it. I love it. This palette is amazing. I don't mind that I had to wait so long, but this is so pretty. I tried from this palette 6 colors, 4 mattes and 2 shimmers, and they all worked great. I had no problems with them. They blended super easily. They're creamy. These, oh my god, they feel so smooth. You just have to be really light-handed with this palette because they tend to have a lot of kickback because they're very pigmented. So just dab your little brush very lightly. I'm glad I purchased it. She did a great job with this palette. And for my first impressions of Oden's eye, their eyeshadows are really good. I love it. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the little bell to get notified every time I upload. Give the video a thumbs up if you can. That helps me out a lot. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, guys. Get poofy. Truck. I'm gonna take a fluffy blush. That's fine right there. They made my lights. I saw that. Here we go. I like the fact that, okay, I have to hold it like this. This is the way it's supposed to be. Why are you sticking out? Why are you sticking out? Stop being nosy. I had lipstick on her teeth. Of course. I always get lipstick on her teeth and I had like lipstick. I had to have that come out. There.